Watch him, man. It's a blaze. Don't come there from What's the killer? Here there. Bumbo create. Nah, like daddy. Come on.
Yeah, tell the man to come on the next side of the road, look at.
Get up, it's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. Ramsack. See me fun day for the youths them right from the corner. You see me? Yo, true religion. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P. Yo, let's see the soldier them. The soldier them going in, man. Loose me gear. Yo, all the Kitty P fans. Yeah, you see me. You them are going to punk sitting at the punks about. You see much it. Yo, it's a Kitty P moment. Yo, let's see the soldier them. Yo, Pep, yo, Rog. What the man them there? Yo. Yeah, I'm about to charge it. Here. Bumbleclot. I'm going there make it clear. It's a Kitty P moment. See me? Loose on the driveway. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. You see me? Yeah, man, so we do it. You see me? You with them, that's a full joy self. On the corner, you understand? Yeah, man. Look no good, no, man. You see me? Fun and joy. You see me? Yeah. Nah, man, I'm forget for them time. Nah, man, I'm forget for them time, too. I forget for them time. Them are youths, so them I forget for them time. It's a Kitty P moment. Oh, not too. The Kitty P moment. What's that? Yo, it's a Kitty P moment. Give them a next style, Kitty P. Yo, man, I'm saying them and go have fun. It's alright, man. You them have fun, let's make them go have fun, man. Fun we are dealing with you them. We are watching them and they right to start up on them. Them good. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. See me? It's a Kitty P moment. Take time, jungle rat. Jungle, take time. Take time, jungle. Remember, say you're heavy. Yo, them time not up yet. Roll on, them have 2 more minutes. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. 2 more minutes. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. Stay in the middle. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. Stay in the middle. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. Yo, don't run for the Kitty P thing. It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. Yo, hold on a Kitty P moment. 2 more minutes. It's a Kitty P moment. You understand? Let in Raj P. It's a Raj P moment. Yo, it's nice when you them have fun. It's nice when you them have fun. You understand? It's a Kitty P moment. It's a Kitty P moment. Who for moment next? Who next? Who next? Double double summer sauce, double summer sauce. Yo, maple leaf moment. It's a maple leaf moment. Yo, it's a maple leaf moment. What do I do? Yo, it's a maple leaf moment. Yo, Lego maple leaf, Lego maple leaf. Lego maple leaf, it's a maple leaf moment. It's a maple leaf. Yay! Who for a moment, your moment? You enjoy yourself? Your time so come for the bunks about. The big guys them get a little chance. Make them have a little fun too. Everybody are gonna have fun, yeah? It's all about fun, you understand? Wait all about here. Some licking in your eye. Warm here. Yeah? Alright, hold it down, hold it down. Put some water on it. Who for a moment, who for a moment? Yeah man, the little bit of them get little rest now man. The youth them have fun man. The youth them have fun with it. Yeah, see me? What else? Don't look tough, you know. Hey, don't trouble it. For them time done, for them time done. Kids beat time done. It's a Kitty P moment. You see me? Out here, you understand where we say it's a Kitty P moment. A Kitty P there, it's a Kitty P moment. Oh, it's a Run P moment.
You're the battles Warlord representing one
Love, like, and subscribe. We are watching TV.
on the YouTube channel. Kaboom! Check out the panel.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling